So we are gonna go to the depths of hell and see if we can pug ultimate raids. This is gonna be fun, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna wait for the first one to open, and fortunately, I got bonus, so Lieutenant rank 50. Oh, he actually might know what he's doing. Alright, so this might not, hopefully not be as bad. If we get like a bunch of Toshiros or like even one Unohana, like this is like kind of, oh no, this is a one Kaiichigo. That's really good. Alright, so the build I'm using is, what am I using? Like the stamina item along with a gold chappy and a chappy, and then on top of that I'm using both DR 20% links for heart, and the last one is the full hollow Ichigo link. So we're playing a little gamble. 80% chance for last ditch, but 20% normal attack damage. I wish that we had a last ditch for heart, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Honestly, I wish that I put in the work for this earlier. Honestly, I figured, and you know, awaken raids are kind of difficult, and I really don't feel like learning them. And shout out to Mugetsu because he actually pretty much ran me down and fucking annoyed the shit out of me until I decided to fucking do him. So yeah, so here we are, gonna attempt to do it except with pugs. Okay, let me just get the fuck out of that way. Looks like we already have one death. Yo, if I died because he like moves forward when he does his... Oh, let's go that way. I might have to be quiet because I'm gonna end up fucking killing myself, to be honest. Nope. Where the fuck is... Oh, that was fucking close. No, let me go. I always get stuck like on the dude too. Like I get stuck on the boss more than anything. It's really irritating. I think the thing that trips me up is when I was learning this, I was so used to confusing shout happening so often, and I need to get used to this last step. Oh, this is the easy one. This is easy. Like, there you go. Forward launcher. When you see the little puddles, go back. Back crush, go forward. But when the confusing shout comes out, I'm so used to going the proper way that I forget and I like paralyze up. Oh no! I try to be I try to be slick with it and like get in early. I shouldn't have did that. Oh shit! I almost killed myself there. Oh no! Yo, Toshiros, I need more barrier, baby. There's the forward launcher. 1, 2, 3. Just enough time to get that off. I think I'm out of range. Get behind him. Watch everyone die. Watch everyone die. No, Caleb, stop. Caleb, don't do this to me. Alright. Watch step up. Don't die. Alright, and last phase. Nice. Alright, I mean, this team's doing pretty good, not gonna lie. And the Toshiros are saving my culo, because, like, I don't really like leaving the puddles. When you have an Unohana, oh my god, dude. Like, you can go ham, like, you can do whatever the hell you want. I fucking hate this. What? Oh, y'all are fucking tripping. Y'all gonna have me do this shit by myself? Oh, that's fucked up, dude. Yo, Caleb. We're gonna try it. We're doing this. This sucks. I hate this. Alright, who's dying today? Oh no. Oh, all the homies are dead. All the homies are dead. Can we do the last 24%? Oh, why smash? I see you, homie. I believe in you. Oh shit. I don't think we could do this, but we definitely gonna try. Oh, we good. I almost killed myself there. I panicked. I assumed Y Smash was gonna die and he was in the wrong spot. Yo, Y Smash, you was a god. Oh no, you dead. Oh, I'm dead too. Oh, it automatically stops, bro. I didn't even get to revive. Yo, Caleb, yo, fix this. This is messed up, bro. R.I.P. man. R.I.P. Pugging it.